Electromagnetic Waves, Visible Light by Katie, Erin, Zach, and Chris. What are electromagnetic waves? Well, EM wave describes the way electromagnetic radiation, EMR, moves through space. The EMR waves are distinguished by their wavelengths. This varies from many yards to smaller than the size of an atom. Radio waves are the longest in wavelength, the lowest in energy. X-rays and gamma rays are the shortest in wavelength, the highest in energy. This is the full electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light is unique because we can see it. This is because the light causes chemical changes in your retina. When we see a color of an object like an apple, we are actually seeing the reflection of that wavelength bouncing off the object. So a red apple is actually every color except for red. Visible light can also cause chemical, electrical, and temperature changes. Light from the sun causes chemical reactions in furniture that causes the furniture to fade. Light is created when something gets really hot, like the sun or a light bulb. Visible light can range from a wavelength of 400 nanometers at the purple side of the spectrum to 700 nanometers at the red length of the spectrum. And the frequency can be anywhere from 4.3 times 10 to the 14th hertz to 7.5 times 10 to the 14th hertz. The color red is anywhere from 647 nanometers to 700 nanometers. Orange is 585 to 647. Yellow is 575 to 585. Green is 491 to 575. Blue is 424 to 491. And purple is 400 to 424 nanometers. Visible light comes from a variety of sources. The most used source by all organisms on Earth is the sun. The sun is also one of the only natural sources of visible light. Other sources include fluorescent and incandescent devices such as fires and light bulbs. We use light bulbs as sources of visible light every day at work, school, and in our homes. Without visible light, we would not be able to see anything. The visible light waves reflect off sources so our eyes can see the objects. Satellites are used in some professions to get better readings of Earth from far away because they can detect more visible light than our eyes can naturally. Telescopes, printers, and copiers all use visible light to make our lives easier. Humans use visible light every day, and without it, we would not be able to see anything.